Hey, in this video, we'll be looking at how to make a Google Ads campaigns insights report using rows. Let's get started. So in our setup table, let's begin with adding a placeholder to add the Google Analytics ID. I'm going to just paste that in here. I'm going to expand this column a little bit. And also we'll need a date range. For that, I'm going to go ahead and use our date picker option right here. And let's choose 2021, January the 1st as an example date to begin with. Next, let's test out the ads campaigns function itself. So for that, I'm going to navigate to our function wizard, search for campaigns, choose the add campaigns analytics Google function right here. For the ID input, I'm going to reference that to cell B1 right here. For date range, I'm going to go ahead and use the greater than symbol and concatenate that with the input from B2 and click on add function in B3. Once you have the output, you can open the data explorer, go to all data, navigate to the rows object and explore the information that we have here. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and click the copy option from here, paste that information in the next available cell right here, then use our override function to take that data and push it to our log table right here. Once you've determined the bounds of this data, I'm going to go ahead and correct the destination range from A1 to G1. Let's say I wanted the user's data to be a lot more closer to the ads data. We can just select the entire column, drag and move that information right here. Before we move to the next step, let's clean this up a little bit. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and nest all of this information into a single formula. So I'm going to copy this function right here and paste that in right here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Now, this is the final function that we'd end up using in our workflow. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it for now and then insert a button. Let's say I'm going to label this get data. Select the action to be executing a custom formula and paste the formula that we received from the previous step. I'm going to go ahead and click create button soon after. Let's also make sure that cell B1 is actually marked to be an input field. I'm also going to go ahead and format the headers here. I'm going to mark that bold, make the background color to be black and the font color to be white. Once you've reached this far, really the final step would be to just select the required data ranges, then click on this create chart option right here, and you'll see that the chart would show up automatically. I'm going to go ahead and use the column chart for this particular purpose. Make sure that the bounds here are open, just so anytime new data is added on the log table, the chart would get updated automatically. I'm going to go ahead and close the panel, rename this chart to report. And we can also move this report a lot more closer to our setup table right here. I hope this video helped and thanks for watching.